Hi everyone and welcome in this new video tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix the briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute. So this message, it's a really common problem coming out when you update multiple plugins. Most of the time it will fix by himself, but sometimes it will be stuck. Or if you are just in a hurry, you want to finish it, you want to fix it back soon as possible, you just need to go on your file, on your website files. And in my case, I'm using SiteGround, and for example, I have the folder which I have my website in it, my WordPress website in it. I just click on public HTML, and as you can see, I have all the files of the website. And you will notice that there is a .maintenance file, and this is the cause of this message. So I'm going to delete this, confirm. And as you can see, now it's deleted, and if I click update, I can see my website back online, back working. So I hope that this very quick tutorial was useful. This is a very common problem coming out when you update. So next time when you update your plugin, try to update them one by one, or don't make big bulk updates. And I hope to see you in the next tutorial and have fun. Bye.